Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I'm your maths teacher Saima Zahid from Army Public School and College, Faisal, Karachi. This is the part of APSEC online support program for class 1. Textbook required is class 1 mathematics new syllabus primary mathematics book 2 second edition. Page numbers are 95 to 98, chapter number 8, recognizing shapes and patterns, lesson, shapes and patterns, resources required, laptop, computer, cell phone, textbook or workbook. Introduction or summary of lesson, understanding of patterns. Objective. In the end, student will be able to identify and complete the shape pattern and color pattern. Patterns. Do you know what patterns are? A pattern is a series or sequence of different shapes which repeats again and again according to a particular rule. If you look around yourself, you will observe that patterns are everywhere. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, and objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on clothes, on bed sheets, a necklace, etc. There are mainly 3 types of patterns, and we will learn about these types one by one. Number 1, shapes patterns. Number 2, color patterns. Number 3, number patterns. In this class, I will introduce only shapes pattern and color pattern. Shape pattern occurs when a group of shapes are repeated over and over again. For example, in this pattern, triangle and circle are repeated again and again. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. It means circle, triangle is a pattern which is repeating again and again. So can you guess what will come at the end after the triangle? Let's see the pattern again. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What will come in the end after triangle? Circle. Have a look at this pattern. Look at this pattern. It is shape pattern. And how we know that? By seeing these shapes, circle, square and triangle. Let's see this pattern. The first shape is circle. Circle, square, triangle. Again here, circle, square, triangle. So, circle, square and triangle are the patterns which is repeating again and again. Let's start again. Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, triangle, circle. Oh, last pattern is incomplete. So, what will come next to circle? Complete the pattern sequence. Okay, what shape complete the last sequence? Yes, a square and a triangle, because the whole pattern is circle, square, triangle. As we already find it out that the circle, square, triangle is the pattern. So after circle, square and triangle will come. Let's do some more practice. Here we have circle, star, circle, star, circle, star. you have to give answer that what shape will come after the ant star. The ant one is star one. What shape will come after the star? Let's start again. Circle, star, circle, star, circle, star. What will come after the star? Circle or a star? Yes, circle. Now come to the second example. Circle, 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 star. This is the pattern. Circle, 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 star, and then star. After star, there is only two circles. Circle, 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 star, circle, circle. Now what will come? A circle or a star? There are three circles, so circle will be the next shape. Do the rest of examples in home for your practice. Let's do change in size. Let's see how pattern is formed with the change of size. Have a look on first example. It is a big circle, then small circle, again big circle, small circle, small circle. It means repeating pattern is big circle, small circle, small circle. Keep the pattern in your mind and tell me what will come next. Big circle, small circle, small circle, big circle, small circle, small circle. Now what will come? A small circle or a big circle? Yes, it is a big circle. Now come to the second example. There is a small triangle, then big triangle, big triangle. It means this is the pattern, small triangle, big triangle, big triangle, which is repeating. Let's complete the pattern. Small triangle, big triangle, big triangle, small triangle, big triangle, big triangle. Yes, in the end, big triangle will be placed. Change in size and shapes. Sometimes both changes in size and shapes come in same pattern. See the example above. Big circle, small square, big circle, small square, big circle, small square. What is the pattern here? Pattern is big circle and small square. What is happening here? Both the shape and size of shape and change in shape comes in the one sequence. This is called change in size and shape. Practice question. This is a practice question. We will quickly do one example and the rest of the example you will practice by yourself at home. Okay. What comes next? A big cycle, small cycle, big cycle, small cycle. Now what will come? A big cycle or a small cycle? See the pattern. The big, small, big, small. So now what will come? Big cycle, small cycle, big cycle, small cycle, big cycle. Very nice. Do the rest of exercise by yourself. In previous section we were talking about shapes and size patterns. Here comes another pattern, that is color pattern. Here colors are repeating to form a pattern. Color patterns occur when a group of colors are repeated over and over again. Example, let's see how are the shapes arranged in the birthday card. The down one is the big circle, small circle. That is a change in size pattern. But the upper pattern has a triangle with different color. Red triangle, yellow triangle, red triangle, yellow triangle. What is happening? The shape is same, but the color is changing. This is called color pattern, where color is changing and the shapes are same. Practice question. What color comes next? Look at the pattern carefully and tell which color will be come at in the end. Red, green, red, green, red. What color come at the end? Green. Very nice. Now come to the second example. There are some stars of different color. Blue star and orange star. Let's start. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue. What will come? Orange. Very nice. There is another example of change in color. Let's see how pattern is formed with the change of color here in this example. It is blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. What will come in the end after blue? Green. They are alternate color, blue and green. Let's recap it. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeat according to a rule. Mainly there are three types of pattern: shapes pattern, color pattern, number pattern. Now you can easily make or complete any kind of shape pattern or color pattern. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.